Hello and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Another day, another puzzle, another warm hooded thing because it is a Melbourne winter and I am so cold and so tired. Um, Today's puzzle is HHSC, named after the Harold Holt Swim Centre, one of my favorite places in Australia. By Clover, I had to name this puzzle. It's fine. Um, Yes, who am I? My name's Bill Murphy. I solve puzzles on this channel. I also make puzzles on this channel. So does Clover Moon and Philip Newman. Together we are Gas, creating genuinely approachable variant Sudoku since a few years ago. We've been doing this for a while now. It's kind of wild. Um, yeah. Hi there. This is today's puzzle. It's a killer Sudoku. It's another killer Sudoku in Clover's quest to teach you all how to do some good Sudoku. Um, this is today's puzzle. You can find a link to it in the description down below. Along with it, you'll find hat times. 2 hats is a very good time. 1 hat, sorry, very fast time. People complain when I use very good. 2 hats is a very fast time. 1 hat is pretty fast time, and everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. With that, let's get into today's puzzle. This is HHSC, and this is a killer Sudoku. Normal Sudoku rules apply. So if you've never seen a Sudoku before, the digits 1 to 9 must be in every box, every row, and every column. Finally, digits in cages that look like this must not repeat and must sum to the small corner total. So these 4 cells must equal 10. With that, that's about it. Please do have a go. It's a pretty good puzzle. I'm a big fan, and let's get into it. Quite a few of the cages in this puzzle are fixed. So let's look at those ones. Box 5 is very fixed, so let's do that. Box 3, sorry, is very fixed, so let's do that one. 30 in 4 cells is 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 in 2 cells is 1 and 3. And once you've used the 1, 6 can only be 2 and 4. That puts a 5 in this cell. 10 can only be 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we've got a 2 and a 4 down here, it means that 2, 4 cannot go in those cells, meaning this must be 2 and 4. 17 in 2 cells is 8 and 9. 16 in 2 cells is 7, 9. The 7, 9 comes out of here, leaving us with 6, 8. And those two become 7 and 9. 3 in 2 cells is 1, 2. 17 in 2 cells is 8, 9. Yes, I know. I will get to it in a second. 3 in 2 cells is 1 and 2. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. When you've used the 1 and the 2, the lowest that 7 can be is 3 and 4. That will also put a 5 in this box. Now, 8 and as we've already said in this puzzle, 17 is 8 and 9, 16 is 7 and 9. We do not have enough information to do the 15 or the 12 yet, but this 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do this now. We'll take the 1 and 3 out, and we'll take the 2 and 4 out of that. Cool. All right. And I nearly forgot the 4 there. We cannot do any other cage just yet. We can sort of do it, but that's fine. All right. Now, we have a lot of cleanup work to do. So, 8 and 9 in these 2 cells is pair, meaning 9 has to go on one of those. So, this must be 7. That's 9, 8, 9, 8, 9. We can take the 7, 9 out of here and take the 6, 8 out of here. 3, 4 points up into this box. This can't be 4, so this must be 2. That's 1, that's 4, that's 3. Which helps clean up a significant portion of the stuff down around box 7. 1 and 2 points into here, meaning that this is 4, 3, 2, and 1. This 1, 2, 3, 1. And finally, this 8, 9 over here points into this box. So, because we have an 8, 9 pair, this must be 7 and 6, 8, 8, and 9. All right, now let's do a bit of poking around, see what we can manage. Okay, 8 and 9 point back into box 1, meaning these two cells must be 8 and 9. We already know that that can't be an 8, so this is 9, this is 8, this is 9, and this is 7. This becomes 5, 6, and 7. This can't be 5. 6, we can't have double 6 in a 12 cage. 5 and 7 down there. 6 and 7 and 8 and 9, thanks to our 8 and 9 that we just put up here. This 6, 7 point back, meaning that this must be 5, 7, 6, 9, and 5. We have a 7 and 8 to place in here. This 8 will tell us which way around this goes. 8 and 7. 6 goes in this cell, 2 and 4. 2, 4. Let's go down here. This is 6 and 7, but that 7 tells us which way around this goes. So that's 7, that's 6. Once we have 6 and 7, the highest that we can make this 8 cage is 3 and 5. We can't quite solve that just yet. But we have to place a 6 in box 9. The only place we can do that is there. Meaning 14 must be 6 and 8. This is 3, 5, 4, and 3. Poke up, 6 and 8. 1, 2, and 4 left to place in this row. Well, 4 in box 8, 1 and 2 go there. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Yeah, that was pretty nice. I like that. 2, 4, and 5 to go here. Because I have a 4 down here, this is probably going to be the easiest way of explaining this without doing a full thing. I'm going to poke at this for a second. There are only 2 possible combinations that this 7 cage can be. Now, I could go through and do Sudoku to prove what this is, but I'm going to do something a little bit easier for me, which might be a little bit high level, but that's okay. There are only 2 possible combinations for this cell, for this 7 cage. It's either 2 and 5, or it's 3 and 4. But if it's 2 and 5, that rules out all possible combinations for that cell. So we know it can't be that. It must be 4 and then 3. Means this is 2, 4, 5, 1, and 2. Now, 3, 7, and 8 into place in row 4. We are just finishing off this puzzle, by the way. I hope wherever you are in the world, you have had a wonderful day. Let's finish off our 1, 2 pairs. And then this is 5, 2, 5, and 6. So that's 2, that's 6, and that's 5. This has been HHSC by Clover. I've been Bill. Peace out. Have a wonderful wherever you are in the world, day, week, month, year, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.